Eggs, a breakfast favorite for so many of us, especially as we get older. You've probably heard they're a nutritional powerhouse, packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins and healthy fats. They fuel both body and mind. But here's something most people don't talk about, especially for those over 60. It's not the eggs themselves that could be causing issues. It's the small, everyday mistakes we make when preparing, pairing, or storing them. These seemingly harmless habits can quietly undermine your health, affecting your cholesterol, your joints, your energy, even your memory. But don't worry. I'm going to walk you through the 5 biggest mistakes people make with eggs, why they matter, and how simple changes can turn things around. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make eggs work for you, not against you. So grab a cup of tea or coffee, get comfortable, and let's uncover the surprising truth about eggs and how to enjoy them the right way. First, let's talk about why eggs are so special. One large egg gives you about 6 grams of high-quality protein, a vital building block for your muscles. And that's especially important as we age, when muscle loss becomes a real concern. Eggs also contain all 9 essential amino acids, the ones your body can't produce on its own. They're rich in choline, a brain-boosting nutrient that supports memory and cognitive function. And they're loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from age-related decline, helping you see clearly for reading, driving, or simply enjoying a beautiful sunset. And here's the best part. Eggs are virtually sugar-free. That makes them an excellent choice for keeping blood sugar steady, a big win for seniors managing diabetes or pre-diabetes. So why do some people feel bloated, stiff, or mentally foggy after eating eggs? Why do some notice their cholesterol creeping up or their energy crashing? The answer usually isn't the egg, it's how we prepare and pair it. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive to certain fats, additives, and dietary imbalances. Small habits we barely notice can add up, turning a healthy food into a hidden health risk. The good news? These mistakes are easy to spot, and even easier to fix. Let's break them down, one by one. Mistake number 1. Cooking eggs in the wrong oils. Picture this. It's morning and you're about to cook your eggs. You reach for the vegetable oil, maybe a stick of margarine or a can of non-stick spray. It's what most of us grew up with, convenient, familiar, and seemingly harmless. But here's the problem. Oils like vegetables, corn, and canola are high in omega-6 fatty acids. Now, omega-6 isn't bad, your body needs some. But when you consume too much without balancing it with omega-3s, from foods like fatty fish, flax seeds, or walnuts, it can trigger chronic inflammation. Studies show the average person eats 10 to 20 times more omega-6 than recommended. And that imbalance? It's like a slow-burning fire in your body, contributing to stiff joints, clogged arteries, and unstable cholesterol. For seniors, this is especially concerning, since our bodies already work harder to manage inflammation. The fix: swap those oils for healthier options. Try olive oil, avocado oil, or ghee. These fats are more balanced, more stable, and far gentler on your system. Mistake number 2. Pairing eggs with processed meats. Eggs and bacon, eggs and sausage, eggs and ham. It's a classic breakfast combo, comforting, nostalgic, and undeniably tasty. But here's the truth. Processed meats are a health hazard, especially for older adults. Bacon, sausage, and deli ham are often loaded with sodium, nitrates, nitrites, and artificial preservatives like BHA and BHT. These ingredients can raise blood pressure, disrupt cholesterol, and increase the risk of colorectal cancer. In fact, the World Health Organization classifies processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, the same category as tobacco. Now, that's not to scare you. It's to wake you up. When you pair a nutrient-rich food like eggs with processed meats, you're cancelling out many of the benefits. It's like a nutritional tug-of-war. And the unhealthy side often wins. The fix: swap the bacon for something better. Try sliced avocado, sautéed mushrooms, or fresh spinach. Your heart, and your taste buds will thank you. Mistake number 3, eating eggs the same way every single day. This one sneaks up on you. Eggs are affordable, easy to cook and reliable, perfect for a daily breakfast. But doing the same thing every morning, like scrambled eggs on white toast, means you're missing a key rule of healthy aging: variety. Your body thrives on diverse nutrients, especially as you get older. Eating the same egg dish day after day can lead to imbalances. For example, egg yolks contain cholesterol. While dietary cholesterol doesn't affect everyone the same, eating them without enough fiber from fruits and vegetables can cause levels to rise in some people. Plus, sticking to one routine means you're likely missing out on other superfoods like berries, leafy greens, or nuts that your body needs to stay sharp and strong. Take Sophia, a 73-year-old who loved her daily scrambled eggs on toast. It was quick, comforting, and filling. But after a year of the same meal, she started feeling sluggish, constipated, and her cholesterol began to climb. Blood tests revealed low levels of B12 and folate, nutrients she wasn't getting because her breakfast lacked variety. She didn't give up eggs. She got creative. One day, boiled eggs with yogurt and mixed berries. The next, a veggie-packed omelette with spinach and mushrooms. On weekends, egg muffins with zucchini and bell peppers. She added fiber-rich sides like chia seeds and avocado. Within weeks, her energy returned, her digestion improved, and her cholesterol stabilized. The lesson: keep eggs in your diet, but mix up how you prepare them and what you serve them with. Variety isn't just interesting, it's essential. Mistake number 4, storing eggs improperly. This one's easy to overlook, but it can have serious consequences, especially for seniors with weaker immune systems. Eggshells are porous. That means they can absorb odors, moisture, and even bacteria from their surroundings. If you store eggs on the fridge door, where temperatures fluctuate, or leave them out too long, you're inviting trouble. Salmonella is a real risk, and it's not always obvious. A contaminated egg can look perfectly normal. For seniors, foodborne illness isn't just uncomfortable. It can lead to severe dehydration, hospitalization, or worse. Meet Tom Allen, a 75-year-old who loved cooking for his grandkids. He kept his eggs in the fridge door for easy access. One day he left a carton on the counter for a few hours while running errands. That evening he made a big family omelette. By morning he was hit with cramps, chills, and nausea. His doctor suspected salmonella, likely from improper storage. Tom learned the hard way, but he made a simple change. Now he stores eggs in their original carton in the coldest part of the fridge, never on the door. He checks expiration dates weekly and never leaves eggs out for more than an hour. Since then, no more stomach issues. The takeaway: store eggs properly, cold, sealed, and away from temperature swings. It's a small habit that can prevent big problems. Mistake number 5, overcooking your eggs. This one's less obvious, but just as important. When you cook eggs at high heat for too long, you're not just changing the texture, you're potentially damaging their nutrition. Overcooking, especially frying until they're browned or rubbery, can oxidize the cholesterol in the yolk. Oxidized cholesterol is harder for your body to process and may contribute to inflammation and artery plaque over time. Plus, high heat can break down heat-sensitive nutrients like choline, a key player in brain health. Many seniors crank up the heat to save time, but that habit could be robbing you of the very benefits you're trying to get. Take Mona, a 69-year-old who loved crispy, well-done fried eggs. She cooked them on high heat until the edges were golden and the yolks were hard. But she started noticing digestive discomfort and brain fog after breakfast. Her nutritionist suggested she was overcooking her eggs, reducing their nutrients, and creating compounds that irritated her gut. So she switched to low and slow. Now she scrambles her eggs on medium-low heat, soft and creamy. For fried eggs, she uses gentle heat and flips them briefly, keeping the yolks runny. The result? Better digestion, clearer thinking, and tastier eggs than ever. The lesson: cook your eggs gently. Try poaching, soft boiling, or low-heat scrambling. Preserve the nutrients and protect your health. Now, let's bring it all together. Eggs are one of nature's most perfect foods. But these 5 mistakes: cooking with inflammatory oils, pairing with processed meats, eating them the same way every day, storing them improperly, and overcooking them, can turn a health hero into a hidden hazard. The good news: each fix is simple. Use olive oil or ghee instead of vegetable oil. Swap bacon for avocado or veggies. Mix up your meals with fiber-rich fruits and greens. Store eggs in the main part of the fridge, not the door, and cook them gently to preserve their power. These small changes don't just make your eggs safer. They make them more delicious and nourishing. Think about the people we've talked about. Each made 1 or 2 simple shifts, and their health transformed. Less bloating, more energy, better digestion, improved lab results. You don't need to fear eggs, you just need to treat them with care. Which of these mistakes sounds familiar to you? Maybe you're using the wrong oil, or stuck in an egg and toast rut. Whatever it is, pick one change to start today. Swap your oil, add some spinach, store your eggs better. These small steps add up, and they might just inspire someone. You love to make a change too. Eggs are a gift from nature, but how you use them matters. When you cook them right, pair them wisely, vary your meals, store them safely, and avoid overcooking, you're not just eating breakfast. You're fueling your body for more energy, better mobility, and a sharper mind. So the next time you crack an egg, remember these 5 tips. Your next breakfast could be a game changer. And here's a quick teaser for what's coming next. There's another common breakfast food, eaten by millions of seniors every day, that might be silently draining your energy and spiking inflammation. Stay tuned to find out what it is and how to make smarter choices. For now, keep enjoying your eggs, just make them the right way.